You guys had fun driving today?
It was great, man.
Hell yeah.
It was awesome.
I'm glad it was.
You guys must shred through tires here, right?
Yeah, we go between 3 to 6 cents a day out here usually.
Oh my
God.
god.
So it's about every 2 hours, give or take.
Wow.
I've done a lot of driving experience, but I think this is the one I had the most fun at.
Well, thank you. That means a lot.
I think this is the most, like, you know, hooligan kind of savage.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's no like real rules we just do. We just it's kind of like a no holds bar, just go after it and see what kind of trouble you get yourself into.
Well, like the last one, I asked the professionals, like, can I just like let it loose here a little bit? It's like, yeah, man, go for it. Just keep it in track. I'm like, okay. That's how you go get some groceries. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. Thank you guys very much for coming out. I appreciate it.
Appreciate you. What are you talking about?
Well, without you guys, I don't get to drive, so.
All right, yeah, true. Okay, fair point.
You guys enjoy the week out here, though, and have fun at SEMA.
Appreciate you, man.